Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about variables. Variables are very important in computing and coding, and in this video, we'll see just why. So without further delay, I'll introduce the table of contents. Here's what I'll be covering today. First, I'll give a short introduction, then we will move on to the different types of variables, which are string, float, integer, and boolean values. Lastly, I'll finish off with some questions. So what are variables? In maths, variables are symbols with no fixed value. For example, in algebra, the x and y that you see in algebra questions are also variables. In coding and computing, variables are used to store information or value. In order to use a variable to store information, you have to name it first. In Python, you can do this by typing the following code: age equals 1. In the code above, age is the name of the variable and 1 is the information or value assigned to the variable age. Here are some types of variables that we will be covering today. These are string, float, integer, and boolean values. Now, I'll get more in detail. Firstly, I'll be talking about strings. String values are called alphanumeric variables or character variables. All values in string variables are treated as text, even though they can contain text, symbols, and numbers. The numbers in string values cannot be used to perform mathematical operations as they are being treated as text. Next, I'll be moving on to integers. Integer variables can only store integers, which are every whole number that is either negative, positive, or zero. These numbers can be used to perform mathematical operations. The next type of variable is float or floating numbers. Like integers, float variables also store numbers, but unlike integers, float variables can also store decimals. These are used when you need more precision and need decimals. The final type of variable I'll be covering today is Boolean. Boolean variables can only store two values, which are true or false. This is useful when you want to see if a certain condition is met in your code. Okay, now to finish off, here are some questions. I'll stop talking for a few seconds for you to answer and write down the answers if you need to. Now, I'll share the answers. For the first question, the answer is string, as only strings can store text. The second question, the answer are true or false. Boolean variables can only store these two values. For the third question, the answer is integers can only store whole number while floats can store decimals. With that, the video has come to an end. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have gotten some new knowledge about variables. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.